Hello everyone, welcome to Design-Gorithm. I am Shelly. Today I am going to show you how you can create a door design in SketchUp. In this video series, you will find other videos where you can learn how to model a room in 3D with all the furniture in SketchUp, and also how to use the V-Ray render engine to render your design. So stick till the end and find the links to other videos of this series below in the description box. So to create a door, you must start by creating its frame first. For that, create a rectangle 3 feet 6 inches by 8 feet. Offset the edges using GHS tools 2.5 inches inside. Clean the geometry by deleting extra lines. Group the geometry. Double click to edit it. Use push-pull to give it a thickness of 6 inches. Close the group by clicking outside it. Create another rectangle, group it. Move it in the middle of the door frame. Double click to edit it. Use push-pull tool to give it a thickness of 1 inches. Create tags for door frame and shutter. Assign tags to the geometry. Turn off the visibility of door frame. Now double click the door shutter to edit it. Use tape measure tool to create guidelines at 6 inches. Create lines using these guidelines. Delete the guidelines. Offset these lines at half inches. Push it back 1/4 inches to create grooves. You may increase the door thickness if you want. Click outside to close the group again. Now we will create a door handle. Use a tape measure tool to create a guideline at 2 feet 6 inches from the bottom and another one at 3 feet distance from the previous one. Create some more guidelines. Create a rectangle. Group it. Double click it and give it a thickness of 1 inches using push-pull tool. Create another rectangle at its back side. Group it and pull it 4 inches. Copy it at the bottom. You can make it a component for future use. Move it at the door properly. Delete the guidelines. You may edit the door handle if you want. Turn on the visibility of the door frame. So this was really easy. Hope you too find it easy, and if at any point you find any difficulty and you get confused, you can always ask me in the comment section. I will always help you. And if you find my videos helpful, then please subscribe to my channel and hit the like button. This is going to motivate me to create more videos like this one. And don't forget to hit the notification bell. Thanks a lot.